Buenos dias. Today we are describing people. So, if I were to describe myself, I'd say, oh, soy yo, this is me, Señora Goodrich. Soy baja, tengo pelo liso y café, tengo ojos azules, no llevo gafas, soy inteligente y simpática. So, I'm short, I have straight hair and it's brown. I have blue eyes. I don't wear glasses. I'm intelligent and nice. But compare that describing my mom. Esta es mi mamá, Kathy. Ella es baja. She is short. So instead of soy baja, I put ella es baja. Tiene pelo corto. So she has, instead of I have hair, she has hair. Tiene pelo corto, short, rizado, curly, y café, and brown. Tiene ojos castaños. She has hazel eyes, light brown eyes. Lleva gafas. She wears glasses. Ella es inteligente y simpática. So instead, I said soy, I am, but I want to say she is. Ella es. A couple of things you'll notice is, like when we're describing eyes, we say she has eyes browns, or hazels in this case. Eyes hazels. So remember, in Spanish, the adjective comes after the noun. It sounds backwards. I think Eva is Yoda talk. She has eyes brown. She has hair short, curly, and brown. So it's backwards. Just remember, you say the eyes and then the colors. Okay, so our key words here are sentence frames. For ourselves, we are somewhat familiar with these. The I, where, we haven't seen before. This is describing ourselves. Other people, we're going to say tiene, es, and lleva. So I'll expect you to describe somebody else in your family. You'll use these keywords. So here's Tucker. So remember, we do our introduction. Este es mi sobrino. Es el hijo de mi hermano Tom. Is the son of my brother Tom. Se llama Tucker. He calls himself Tucker. Joven. Joven means young. So we're going to say es joven, right? He is young. And then here, pelo rubio. Are we going to say he is blonde hair? No, we're going to say he has. Tiene pelo rubio y ojos azules, and blue eyes. Eyes blues. Something cómico y atlético. So we don't want to say he has funny. We want to say he is funny. Es cómico, he is funny and athletic. Okay. That is the end. Complete all the gray sections on your paper, on your notes today, and you should be all done.